Welcome back, everybody. As you can probably guess, if you are a regular viewer here, we are traveling, so I don't have my normal camera, I don't have my normal audio equipment, so sorry if that's not as great either. But we're making a video today because some very important news just broke. So if you haven't heard, the Supreme Court ruled 6-3 that New York's shall issue carry permitting system is unconstitutional. I'm just going to read a couple quotes for you here from the ruling. If you guys want to get in depth on this, an analysis from an attorney, a firearms attorney at that, I definitely recommend checking out Floodbuster's channel. I just watched 2 hours of his breakdown of it, and it goes into detail. But what does it do? Number one, it establishes that shall issue carry is unconstitutional. Bottom line is that if you have a permitting system, it has to be for everyone. If not, it violates the 14th Amendment. So that's what the Supreme Court ruled here. It's common sense. And then additionally, the language in the actual ruling also establishes that having the right to carry a firearm outside of your house is part of the Second Amendment. Of course, Heller said that you had to have affirmed, rather, that you had the right to have a firearm in your house. Now this affirms that you have the right to have a firearm out of your house. So that is the big news. Just a quick quote here to rule from the case, which was written by Clarence Thomas, who is the best Supreme Court justice, in my opinion, by far. It's, quote, "In this case, petitioners and respondents agree that ordinary law-abiding citizens should have a similar right to carry handguns publicly for their self-defense. We too agree, and now hold consistent with Heller and McDonald, that the Second and 14th Amendments protect the individual's right to carry a handgun for self-defense outside the home. Because the state of New York issues public carry licenses only when an applicant demonstrates special need for self-defense, we conclude that the state's licensing regime violates the Constitution." Bingo, it sure does. Additionally, what does this mean for other people? Because this is obviously New York. The governor of New York has come out since and said that she believes that this is, terrible, and that people are just going to be dying in the streets, which of course is absolutely not true. So there are 9 states right now in the country that have a version of a shall issue permit carry system. And right now, this means that all of those are no-go. So California, I'm not going to go through all of them, but California, Hawaii, New Jersey, states, all of those states, their system is unconstitutional, and they're going to have 2 options. One, they're going to have to go to a a shall issue. I say may issue too much. They're going to have to go to a shall issue system, or, meaning, what that means for folks at home means if you apply for the permit, you get it, as long as you're a law-abiding citizen. Or a constitutional carry, or which is known as, of course, permitless carry. So those are our options. They got to get in line. Doesn't matter what they think. That's the law. It's been affirmed by the Supreme Court. It is what it is. It's a huge win for our community. And with that, I want to thank the folks who are responsible for behind this. Of course, that's all of you who are watching the video and pushing for this and voting for this and all of those sorts of things. But additionally, the groups who advocate on our behalf. So your Gun Owners of America, your Firearms Policy Coalition, National Association for Gun Rights, all of those groups, and of course all the local ones as well, that fight to restore the rights that have been taken away from us by a tyrannical government. I definitely recommend you guys support them. I support them for sure. None of them paid me to give them the plug. I'm just telling you, these are the organizations out there doing good things, making it so that we can go about our lives as free citizens as we should be able to. And all those groups are no compromise. They want to restore our Second Amendment so we can buy machine guns at the local convenience store. That is it, guys. Thank you for watching. If you're new here and you like this type of video, normally we have a prettier background, but otherwise similar content. Hit the subscribe button. If you've done that and you're not seeing 2 to 4 videos a week here on the channel, make sure you hit the notification bell. If you've done that, you can sign up for my email at the website here on your screen. It has all of the emails, all the videos that have gone out since the previous email, which goes out once a month, and that way it ensures that YouTube isn't censoring your eyes from my content. Additionally, if you guys want deals on anything Second Amendment related, definitely sign up for my daily deals email. It has a virtually 0 unsubscribe rate because it's got lots of good deals and people like receiving it. So there is that. That's it, guys. Thanks for watching. I truly appreciate it. I look forward to seeing everybody in the next video.